Okay, I figured I'd take a video. Don't hide, Dale. I just finished rebuilding this carburetor all by myself. Right, Dale?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you think it's like a blink twice if you need help situation? Anyways, we were just talking about how this is the first car that will have a choke hooked up. The 57 Corvette. The 67 doesn't. We have one on the 60, but it's not hooked up. The 11 doesn't. So I've never done this part. And what's the piece that you adjust? You line up the cover and then you twist it.
Right. So
Lean or rich?
there's the spring that was inside the black cover is what they call a bimetal spring, and so it's two pieces of metal bonded together. One of them expands at a different rate than the other, so it makes the spring move as it gets hot.
Okay.
So that in turn makes the choke plate move. So let's loosen these up just slightly.
Oh, they're too tight?
Just for a minute, so I can just show you this.
Okay.
So if you watch the choke plate here, you move it a little bit more.
Too tight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you can
See it.
actually.
Only it's not doing anything.
No. So what that means is we haven't got the spring hooked over the right piece in here.
I've made a
let's
mistake.
Take this back off.
It's very hard to film and
Director and actor.
yeah, most of the stuff that we do film, I guess, we miss most of the good stuff. Okay. And the line on this rubber cover is very small. So line up. There you go.
Okay. So what we want to do is this piece right here is what's hooked to the choke plate. This
Oh,
it needs to go.
I just set it on there.
Right. It needs to go hooked into that little hook area right there, so that it catches.
Let me see. In the end.
It goes in this little notch right here.
Oh, at the very end. I see. I
Yeah.
see. Can I do it?
Yes.
Let me see.
Absolutely. Okay.
Like that?
Yep. And then now if you
Oh,
see
yeah,
how
yeah,
it
yeah.
moves.
But shouldn't it bring it back more?
Well, without it being on the car, it's not going to do a lot. It's
No, where I think the line's actually back here.
right there. No.
See it
Yeah,
right
yeah,
there?
right there. So this is just a starting point. The line is a starting point.
Okay.
Basically, you feel how tight it is right now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, it shouldn't be that tight. So what we'll do is when you get those screws in, leave them a little bit loose so we can turn them. And with the temperature that it is in here, watch my fingers.
You don't need those.
And we want it where it's closing, but just a light spring tension on it.
Okay. Okay, I have a question for you. Why? Oh, well, I know why. My dad didn't use chokes because he wanted all the air he could get, right?
Right.
So, to the people that are listening to this, sometimes I feel like I don't know all the words or that it doesn't look like I know what I'm talking about. But there's a lot of things, like my dad doesn't have a tack hooked up in any of the cars. I've never used anything to do with a choke. So I only know what I know. So this is all new. Okay, that's going to be too tight. I forgot. Hold on.
And the thing of it is that he built these engines and cars for performance and for racing and all that, and you just don't need the choke for those things most of the time. If he was drag racing, he'd start it up and warm it up before he ever got pulled up to the line. So it was you didn't need a choke at that point, and it just blocked off part of the air that was going into the engine.
How do you feel about that?
That's probably pretty
What are
good.
you doing?
I'm
Lining it up so it just gets a little bit of air.
well, but the big thing is feel the spring tension on it now. Okay, now here's where it was to start with. Now do it.
Oh, that's too tight.
Yeah. So you want it to where there's just a little bit of pressure on it.
Oh, I see. This doesn't necessarily open and close. This does.
Well,
it controls how tight.
This closes it
Okay.
and will allow it to open because that spring pulls back and it'll give it free play.
But you could do it tighter.
Yeah. But this linkage is hooked to the accelerator, so it will come open. It also works the fast idle cam, which is why it, when you start the car up cold, it wants to idle high, and then you hit the throttle,
Jab
and
the
it'll
gas.
drop
Bring
down.
it back down. So now I tighten these.
Yeah.
And how tight?
Just
Tight, but
snug,
not over tight.
where they won't fall out.
Okay, so my only pieces left are my linkage. And I guess don't tell me. Maybe tell me. The long one goes up here.
Now, this one, see how it's got the
The cotter pin goes there,
right.
that groove.
Let's see here. It's not for that. That's
I think
just
that
this
one goes in here. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And then that one goes down.
Right
and
here.
It's right there.
Right, and then
this-
cotter pin.
it's actually a clip, but whatever.
Again, I don't know the right words, but I do kind of know what I'm
You know
talking
what?
about.
You know what you're doing. That's all that matters.
I mean, I just found out not that long ago that the dummies dyno isn't a real thing. I mean, it is
And
down
I think,
here.
wait a minute.
Oh, wrong way.
No, I think what we got to do is we got this goes over here, I think.
In that little thing?
I think it goes in this one. And
Oh.
I think, and then this one goes here for the accelerator pump. So this one goes
Right there.
there, and let's see which way it goes.
That looks like it's gonna hit. I think it goes the other way.
That's what I'm looking at now, is to try and make sure I get it the right way.
Oh, there you go.
And then this comes in.
There you go. Okay,
Let me see how it works.
Good?
Yeah, I think that's the way it goes. You said you took pictures of it, so.
Yeah, I did take pictures. So good thing we're on camera, but I have an extra pin. What's that mean?
Well, keep in mind that these kits came with a bunch of extra pins.
Well, I didn't use new pins.
Oh,
So that means,
you still got to put on, I think on the bottom of this one.
okay, good. Way to make me feel better. Okay, that one's good. That one's good. Oh, yeah. But this is a stretched out one. Maybe I need to use a new one. See that? Wait a second.
Get to,
That's better. That's better. Don't get it too tight. It's already been tight.
that's okay. Like it is.
Nah, this is too loose.
Okay, get it over.
Shout out to Andy's Auto Parts.
Yeah.
Thank you for sponsoring us with this Jiffy kit. Oh, this one's missing parts. So no shout out to Andy's
Well,
Auto Parts.
We have more.
Oh,
Ready?
yeah. We do not guarantee our products. So if they've been opened, oh, here's some. We take no refunds, no returns.
So,
Customer's always wrong.
and you've been selling parts for almost 100 years,
Yeah.
you're going to find some problems where people have returned parts where they've taken something out of them or whatever.
What did Brian say the slogan for Andy should be last night? We've got it. Ooh, man, I just dropped that
Or
ball.
if we don't have it,
You don't need it.
you don't need it.
Nobody said, we have what you're looking for till Christine needs it. I don't know. This feels big too. Look at it. It's kind of just dangling. That's okay.
As long as it doesn't come out, it's good. Yeah, it's okay.
All right. I have no pieces left, which means we're done. Ta-da!
Very good. Great job.